If you're looking at Oro Valley, Arizona, and you're specifically interested in gated communities, let me just say this right out of the gate, pun intended. You have a lot of great options here. Oro Valley is one of the most desirable places to live in all of southern Arizona, and for good reason. You've got beautiful desert scenery, mountain views in just about every direction, a strong sense of community, excellent town services, and an overall lifestyle that really appeals to people who want beauty, convenience, and a little breathing room. Plus, I live here. And when it comes to gated living, Oro Valley does it exceptionally well. Now, here's the thing, not all gated communities are the same. Some offer a more lock and leave lifestyle. Some feel more private and custom. Some are centered around golf, some around views, some around location, and some are all about luxury. So, in this video, I'm walking you through Oro Valley's gated communities by area so you can start getting a better feel for what might fit your lifestyle best. Let's jump in. Okay, we'll start in the heart of Oro Valley along the Oracle Road corridor and the dramatic foothills near Pusch Ridge. This is one of the most recognizable and visually stunning parts of Oro Valley. You've got incredible mountain backdrops, quick access to shopping and dining, and neighborhoods that really capture that upscale desert lifestyle people come here for. La Reserve is probably one of the most recognized addresses in Oro Valley, and it offers a nice variety of housing options. You'll find condo communities like the Boulders and Boulder Canyon, townhomes like Stony Canyon Homes, and single family neighborhoods as well. What makes La Reserve so appealing is the setting. It really gives you that mountain based living experience. And for a lot of buyers, that's exactly the draw. Within the upper reaches of La Reserve is the Ridge, and this is one of the more exclusive pockets in the area. If views matter to you, and let's be honest, around here they usually do, this community definitely deserves attention. Elevated lots, sweeping scenery, and a more tucked away feel make this one especially attractive for buyers looking for something a little more elevated, literally and figuratively. Bighorn Point is a more intimate enclave within La Reserve with a strong emphasis on privacy and dramatic views. This one tends to appeal to buyers who want that custom quality feel without being in a massive neighborhood. Feels more exclusive and more intentional. Ponticello is another distinct gated enclave in the La Reserve area, known for beautiful semi-custom and custom homes, often on larger lots with excellent views. This is one of those communities that can really catch a buyer's attention if they want something refined, private, and a little less cookie cutter. These sister communities are especially well known for their direct views of iconic Pusch Ridge, and that alone puts them on a lot of buyers' radars. Is that right? Buyer's radar. These homes were built by Sombre Homes, which is a respected name locally, and they're known for sophisticated Santa Fe style architecture and quality masonry construction. If you appreciate character and authentic Southwest design, these communities are definitely worth a look. Catalina Ridge offers gated living with a strong orientation toward the Santa Catalina Mountains. For buyers who want mountain views, security, and a solid Oro Valley location without necessarily stepping into the highest luxury tier, this can be a really great option. Palisades Point stands out because of its dramatic positioning along a desert ridgeline. That means homes here often enjoy multi-directional views, a sense of elevation, and a level of privacy that buyers really value. It has a stronger custom desert feel, and that setting gives it a special kind of presence. Now, let's head over to the western side of Oro Valley near the La Cañada Corridor. This area has a more established feel, beautiful terrain, and excellent access to recreation. A big part of the appeal here is the proximity to the El Conquistador Golf Course and the Oro Valley Community and Recreation Center, which is a major amenity for the area. You've got golf, tennis, pickleball, fitness facilities, aquatic amenities, and dining. So for buyers who want lifestyle and convenience, this section of Oro Valley can be really attractive and convenient. These neighboring gated communities offer panoramic views toward the Tortolita Mountains and tend to have a more personalized custom feel. There's maturity to this area. That's a lot of what buyers really appreciate. It doesn't feel brand new, it feels established, scenic, and settled. Further west, the Cholla Corridor offers a quieter, more tranquil feel. This area tends to appeal to buyers who like a stronger connection to the desert landscape, often with larger lots and a little more breathing room, while still being just a short drive from Oro Valley's main conveniences. Ironwood Canyon is known for beautiful custom homes set within a pristine desert setting. It offers privacy, natural beauty, and that tucked away feeling that many buyers are after when they say they want serenity without feeling isolated. Vista del Cobre is a gated community of single family homes valued for its quiet streets and convenient western Oro Valley location. This is one of those communities that may not always be the flashiest name people know first, but for the right buyer, it can be a really strong fit. And it's close to the schools, the top schools here in Oro Valley. Saguaros Viejos has a smaller, more intimate neighborhood feel with custom homes on spacious lots surrounded by mature old growth saguaros. And let me tell you, that natural desert character matters. There's something really special about a neighborhood that feels like it belongs to the landscape instead of fighting against it. The Estates at Capella is a newer gated community with modern semi-custom homes, luxury finishes, and thoughtful design for buyers who want a more current aesthetic and newer construction without giving up the Oro Valley setting. This is definitely one to know about. Next up is Rancho Vistoso and the Northern Oro Valley Corridor. This area is incredibly popular because it offers convenience, variety, and access to newer communities. You're close to the Oro Valley Marketplace, grocery stores like Safeway and Fry's, lots of dining, a movie theater, and Oro Valley Hospital. It's also practical for commuters. You're not far from I-10, and many people appreciate access to the back route toward Phoenix. This part of Oro Valley includes both newer and builder neighborhoods and some truly exceptional luxury communities. Now, let's talk about some of the standout luxury and custom communities in Northern Oro Valley. Stone Canyon is one of the most prestigious and exclusive private golf communities in all of southern Arizona. This is luxury at a very high level. Dramatic rock outcroppings, a stunning desert setting at the base of the Tortolita Mountains, a world-class golf course, and a mix of custom estates and luxury home sites make this one incredibly special. Within Stone Canyon, you also have more exclusive enclaves like Stonegate at Stone Canyon and the Tuscan Estates at Stone Canyon. For the buyer who wants prestige, privacy, and an extraordinary setting, Stone Canyon is absolutely in the conversation. Honeybee Ridge and Honeybee Canyon Estates are signature Oro Valley communities set around the spectacular Honeybee Canyon area. These neighborhoods offer semi-custom and custom homes that blend beautifully into the surrounding landscape. And that's part of the magic here. It feels protected, natural, and distinctively Oro Valley. High Mesa Homes and Hohokam Mesa offer single-family homes in secluded desert settings with mountain backdrops and a retreat-like feel. These communities can be ideal for buyers who want peace, scenery, and a little separation from the busier parts of town while still being close to amenities. Coyote Ridge is another gated community in the Vistoso area, featuring beautiful semi-custom and custom homes, often with larger lots and excellent views. This is a strong option for buyers who want a more elevated home feel without necessarily jumping into the ultra luxury tier. So you can see Oro Valley's gated communities are anything but a one-size-fits-all. You've got established neighborhoods with mature character, scenic communities tucked into the foothills, recreation-focused areas near golf and town amenities, newer builder communities with modern floor plans, and truly exceptional luxury enclaves for buyers looking for something special. And honestly, that's one of the reasons I love helping people buy in Oro Valley. There really is a lifestyle match here for a lot of different buyers, but knowing which communities best fit your priorities, that's the key. Now, one quick note before we wrap up. There are so many gated communities in Oro Valley that even with a roundup like this, it's entirely possible one or two may have been missed. So if there's a gated community you're curious about that I didn't mention, let me know in the comments. And if you'd like to see a special feature or a community tour of a specific gated community in Oro Valley, drop that in the comments too, because I'd be happy to feature it in a future video. Also, I want to hear from you. Which gated community in Oro Valley is your favorite? Go ahead and comment below. I always love hearing which neighborhoods people are drawn to and why. And if you're thinking about making a move and want help narrowing down which Oro Valley gated communities may be the best fit for you, I'd love to help. Reach out and we'll talk through what matters most to you, whether it's views, privacy, golf, low maintenance living, luxury, or location, because who you work with matters. Believe it.